Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get your daily allocation for your Pixelverse. So under here, we have our, just right here on our dashboard. You can go ahead and click on the link in the description if you're not playing this game yet. Start now so you can get the most allocation for yourself. All right, so once you've clicked the link in the description, you will also come to this page on the Telegram mini app. Go straight over to where it says reward. But as you can see right now, I have a daily income of 3.9 million and I have a balance of 53 million. So what do I do to get more daily allocation when I complete my daily combo? Go over to where it says fight. And from here, you could see that I have some of my bots. My bots are in level 13. I'll just go ahead and upgrade every of my bots once level ahead. And once I do that, I'll be able to now proceed to going to get the daily combo. You can see now I've upgraded this to level 14 and I'll just go ahead and do the rest for every other bots that I have here. All right, so as you can see, after upgrading my bots, you can see my daily income went as high as 4.23 million. Okay, so all I have to do right now is just to claim this here because I could actually just go ahead and click on it. And then go over to where it says reward, click on daily rewards, claim my daily reward, close that tab, go over to where it says daily combo, click on play. And right now I have to go ahead and just merge. So you can see right now my daily combo reward is going to be 8.4 million pixel points. You can see that's a lot. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and just I'm going to go ahead right now and just complete this one. So the first we're going to add here is this, and then second on the list is going to be this one, and then the third should be this, and finally the last one is going to be this one. Okay, let's go ahead and check it. You can see I got that daily combo correct, 100% correct. Go ahead and claim it. And that's everything you need to do. See you guys tomorrow for tomorrow's daily combo. Peace out.